Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, in our today's lesson, we will discuss about the properties of liquids and solids. So, these are the states of matter. These are mainly the states of matter in which we will discuss about the liquids and we will discuss about the solids. In simple, when we have a look on the solids, we can see that the arrangement of the particles is in a regular way or in a regular manner, and all the particles are closely packed. There is no distance between the molecules. But on the other hand, when we have a look on the liquids, the particles are moving. They are not closely packed, and there is some distance between these molecules. So this is the second and third form of the solid state of matter. So let's have a look on its properties one by one. The first one is the liquid. So what can be the properties of the liquid? First one, example of the liquid, we have water. It is in the liquid state and is mainly composed of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Now, what are its properties? The shape depend on the medium. The shape depends upon the medium. It's mean they have indefinite shape. Why liquids have indefinite shape? Because when we are going to pour it into the glass, it takes the shape of that glass, and when we have a larger jug, or we can say that if we have a beaker, it takes the shape of that jug. So this is the property of the liquid. They have indefinite shape, or they take the shape of the container that in which they have been put it. The second, they have fixed volume. So they have definite volume. It means their volume will not be changed when they are in the glass or they are in the jug. Next, they are have less rigidity, or they have more rigidity as compared to the gases, as the gases have no rigidity. They are loosely packed. Loosely packed, the intermolecular forces are present, but these intermolecular forces are not too strong. Not too strong, but they are enough strong to hold the particles together. They are slightly compressible, not incompressible, but they are slightly compressible because they have small spaces between themselves. In turn, when we are going to apply the pressure, to some extent they are compressed, but not we can say that they are highly compressible. Just we have the gases are highly compressible, having large distance between them. Next, the intermolecular forces of liquids are intermediate. Intermediate means not too much strong, just it is used to keep the particles together. Next, the molecules of the liquids possesses kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is present due to their motion, or the energy that is present in the particles due to their motion. It is known as kinetic energy. So that's why the liquids can also be converted into the solids. How we can convert the liquids into the solids? The simple is by cooling. When we just cool down the liquid, it is converted into the solid. So the molecules of the liquids collide among themselves and they also exchange the energy. For example, this is the molecule of a liquid. It strikes with that liquid and it it was having first high kinetic energy. After striking it, it transfers its kinetic energy. Now it is having low kinetic energy. So they transfer their energy among themselves, but those of solids can't do this. So this was the simple properties of the liquids. Next we have the properties of the solids. When we have a look on the solids, they have fixed shape. Fixed shape mean all the particles are arranged in a regular manner. So the arrangement of particles is in a regular way. On the other hand, they have fixed volume. Fixed volume mean they have to cover some space. For example, we have a book. It is having its fixed shape and fixed volume that has been covered by it. Its volume and shape both are definite. Now, why they have definite shape? Because they are having high rigidity. High rigidity mean they are incompressible, no non-compressible, and all the particles are tightly packed and their intermolecular forces are too much strong. When the intermolecular forces are strong, then what is going to be take place when they have strong forces? It means they are incompressible. There is no empty space between the particles and the particles are arranged in a way they are closely packed and they have strong force of attraction. They have no space between themselves. So this is the main property, and the question rises why they are non-compressible, because there is no space between the particles of the solids, and the solids just possesses a type of vibration motion. So they have just vibrational motion about their mean position. They do not move freely or they do not move randomly. On the other hand, they do not diffuse or effuse because the particles are not moving freely. So guys, this is all about the properties of liquids and solids as well. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. And the next topic we will discuss about the units of the pressure, that what are the main units, what is the SI unit for the pressure. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.